and welcome to my channel. I am Simply Kiwi. This is Transformation Tuesdays. If you're new to the channel, Transformation Tuesdays is where I pick an indie polish, a picture, or I actually have that polish in my arsenal, and I'll look at the contents and try to figure out what the components are in that polish and try to duplicate or recreate that polish using what I have in my own stash. This month I'll be recreating Sweet Sour Lacquer Zero to Hero, which was in January's polish pickup. It's inspired by Hercules animated series. This polish is described as a gorgeous ultramarine blue acrylic with varying series of caramel, gold, hollow and reflective, and bronze glitters. If you like DIY polishes, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click your notification bell so you know when I upload new content to the channel. So let's get started. So the only polish that I could find that had that ultramarine blue look was this LynBDesign's Blue Blood. This is such a beautiful polish. And I decided to go through my glitter box and I found this Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Extreme Wear glitter polish, and this is called Bold Gold. So I figured that this polish had the most of the components that was described in the original description of the polish. So this is just my nail tip here on my little nail stand, and I'm going to go ahead and apply Blue Blood. This is, I believe, the perfect polish for this particular recreation because it is more of a jelly finish and it's very buildable. So let me tell you why I started the Transformation Tuesdays. I feel like everybody, and I including myself, love indie polishes, but they can become quite pricey, and to be able to get some of that look that the indie polishes have, I wanted to recreate some of those polishes using what I already have in my stash. So that's why I started Transformation Tuesday. It's because I like a lot of those polishes, but sometimes I just can't afford, or some people just can't afford a whole lot of those indie polishes. And so to be economical about it, you could just pull out something that you already have in your stash and try to recreate that polish. And I have done that with several of different polishes that I liked on Polish Pickup or Hella Handmade Creations, and I decided to do that for myself. So this is just paying homage to those beautiful indie makers that make those beautiful polishes, and I just want to share that with you all and let you see how you can recreate some of these polishes as well. So this is the first and second coats of this nail tip, and I was just letting it dry so I can go ahead and start applying the glitter polish. And I continue to ask you all if you like for me to continue to do these particular episodes, is because sometimes I don't get many views and I'm not sure a lot of people are interested in it, but some of you are, so I'm going to go ahead and continue to do this. I do this once a month. I try to do it the first Tuesday of the month, but sometimes I get a little busy with other things, and so sometimes it'll be the second Tuesday of the month. So that's why I do Transformation Tuesday. I really like doing it, and it's just fun trying to see if I can recreate some of these great indie polishes that they take their time and energy to make. And so this is the first application of that Bold Gold. I really do believe that this was the closest thing that I had in my stash to even recreate the look of that polish. Like I say all the time, it's not going to be perfect. It's not going to be exact, because this particular polish, this particular topper polish, has shards, black shards, as where the other, the actual original polish does not. But that comes pretty damn close, y'all. Pretty close. So I just want to take the time to do that and show you all that you can recreate a lot of these polishes yourself using what you already have at home. So that's just the application on that. And I'll also show you a pic momentarily of my full mani. So here is the full manicure with bold gold on top and blue blood as my base polish. I hope you guys love this episode. Let me know what you think. And I'm also going to have a side-by-side letting you see the actual original polish next to the polish that I created. So you guys, let me know how well I did once I show you the pic of the side-by-side. I just wanted to show you here the actual nail tip and then how it looks compared on my actual nail. Sometimes it looks a little different from the nail tip until you actually put it on your nail, but it looks pretty much the same. Like I said, 2 coats of the blue blood, and then it might be 3 coats to opacity with the blue blood, and then I did 1 to 2 coats of the bold gold topper on top of the blue blood. So it's pretty comparable. I think I'm going to show you the side by side. If you like for me to continue to do this type of video, go ahead and put that in the comment section. And also, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do so. Now here's the side by side. The left is the original and the right is my interpretation of this polish. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember to allow the mani to take hold and watch the magic appear.